Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to explore a mysterious world, home to creatures that are not only beautiful, but also a little terrifying. And chances are, you've never seen them in real life. From massive, ferocious sharks to giant squids with tentacles stretching dozens of meters, the ocean is full of jaw-dropping surprises. Did you know there are fish that glow in the dark? Or that some sea creatures can literally shapeshift to escape their predators? Get ready, because an exciting, thrilling, and incredibly fascinating journey awaits you. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on our next wild adventures beneath the waves. Mind-blowing secrets from the ocean. Dolphins can see through things, squid digest food with their brains, and catfish have up to 100,000 taste buds all over their bodies. These are just some of the incredible wonders scientists have uncovered in the ocean world. The giant squid. Mesonychothus hamiltoni was once thought to be a myth, but in 2007, a 10-meter-long, 450-kilogram specimen was caught in the Ross Sea near Antarctica. When brought to New Zealand for study, scientists discovered something shocking. Its digestive system runs right through the center of its brain. The squid's brain is shaped like a ring, and when it swallows prey, the throat pushes food through the brain, which absorbs nutrients before passing it on to the stomach. Piranhas are carnivorous fish with razor-sharp teeth and the habit of swimming in massive schools of hundreds, nearly unmatched in the Amazon River of South America. To survive alongside these fierce predators, the arapaima, aka the Dragon River fish, evolved armor-like scales. Their skin has two layers, a hard, mineral-rich outer shell and a soft, flexible inner layer made of elastic collagen. When attacked, the inner layer bends and twists, absorbing the piranha's vicious bites without tearing. SAR-11 is a type of bacteria found in every ocean on Earth. Its natural enemy? The pelagophage virus, which hunts SAR-11 wherever it appears and destroys it by the millions. But SAR-11 doesn't go down without a fight. It constantly evolves to survive. And in response, pelagophages evolve too, hunting down new SAR-11 variants. This microscopic arms race is invisible to the naked eye and can only be observed through a microscope, but it's one of the most intense battles in nature. Catfish have about 100,000 taste buds scattered all over their bodies. The larger the fish, the more taste buds they have, with the biggest ones boasting over 175,000. Since they live at the murky bottom of ponds and rivers where visibility is low, catfish rely on their taste buds as a hunting tool. By sensing where the strongest taste signal comes from, they can turn and swim directly toward their prey, even if they're completely blind. Dolphins use ultrasound echolocation for almost everything, navigating, hunting, and communicating. They produce sound by pushing air through a network of cells near their blowholes. Under their jaw is a fatty sac that picks up the returning echoes and sends the signals to their brain, helping them build a mental map of their surroundings. Their sound waves, ranging from 40 to 130 kilohertz, can pass through soft tissue like skin and bounce back when they hit bones or cartilage. Scientists have observed that dolphins can tell if a shark has already eaten, if another dolphin is pregnant, and they can even detect prey buried up to a meter beneath the sand. Let me know if you want this adapted into a YouTube script, voiceover, or short-form content. If you've ever thought that humans have a solid grasp of this world, take a look at the ocean, where over 80% still remains a mystery. Beneath that seemingly calm surface lies a completely different world. Strange, mysterious, breathtakingly beautiful, and at times deeply unsettling. Covering more than 70% of Earth's surface, the ocean is the cradle of life and ready for content use. If you've ever thought that humans have a solid grasp of this world, take a look at the ocean, where over 80% still remains a mystery. Beneath that seemingly calm surface lies a completely different world. Strange, mysterious, breathtakingly beautiful, and at times, deeply unsettling. Covering more than 70% of Earth's surface, the ocean is the cradle of life, home to the weirdest creatures, and keeper of secrets beyond human imagination. 1. Glowing creatures. When the ocean becomes a starry sky beneath the surface. In the eternal darkness of the deep sea, there are creatures that can glow, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. Black dragonfish, lion's mane jellyfish, and even certain bacteria emit light from their bodies. They use it to lure prey, communicate, or even play dead to avoid predators. Take the anglerfish, for example. The female has a glowing lantern that dangles in front of her mouth to attract prey, then snap. Dinner's over in a flash. Amazingly, these fish live nearly 1,000 meters deep, far below where sunlight can reach. Summer 2. The ocean, Earth's giant air conditioner. The ocean doesn't just host marine life, it's also a key regulator of the planet's climate. Thanks to ocean currents, basically rivers, within the sea, heat gets distributed more evenly across the globe. The Gulf Stream, for instance, brings warm water from the Caribbean up to Europe, making places like the UK far milder than other regions at the same latitude. Without the ocean, Earth would be a scorching desert in some places and a frozen wasteland in others. The ocean absorbs up to 90% of the excess heat generated by climate change. So if it ever gets angry, we'll be the first to feel it. 3. Alien life right here on Earth. Think aliens are weird? The ocean is packed with creatures that make science fiction seem real. Imagine a fish with a transparent head, eyes inside its brain that can rotate 360 degrees. That's the barrel eye fish, Macropinna microstoma. Or the spooky-looking squid, Vampiroteuthis infernalis. Literally, vampire squid from hell, with glowing red skin and webbed arms that look like a floating parachute. Then there's the sea slug, shimmering like a mythical fairy, or clownfish, lionfish, stonefish, and devilfish. All so wild in shape and color that you'd think they were CGI until you see them up close. 4. Mysterious sounds from the ocean deep. There have been strange, unexplained sounds recorded at the bottom of the sea that have puzzled scientists for years. One of the most famous is bloop, a deep, booming sound captured in 1997 in the South Pacific. At first, people thought it came from some unknown sea monster. Years later, researchers suggested it was the sound of ice cracking in Antarctica. Still, many believe it's the voice of something lurking deep beneath the waves. Besides bloop, there's Julia, slow down, and upsweep, other mysterious noises echoing from the ocean floor. They're eerie reminders that there's still so much we don't know about what lies beneath. 5. Mariana Trench, the deepest abyss on Earth. If Mount Everest is the tallest point on land, the Mariana Trench is Earth's deepest known chasm. Located in the western Pacific, its lowest point, Challenger Deep, plunges nearly 10,984 meters, deep enough to swallow Everest whole. The pressure at that depth is over 1,000 times stronger than at the surface. Every square centimeter bears the weight of over 1 ton. And yet, life survives there. These creatures don't need sunlight or high oxygen levels and have evolved incredible biology to withstand the extremes. In 2012, director James Cameron dove solo to Challenger Deep and found a world that was dark, silent, and yet astonishingly alive. Chapter 6. Massive mini tsunamis. Beneath the waves. Think waves only happen on the ocean's surface? Think again. Deep below, there are enormous underwater waves, called internal waves, that can reach heights of up to 200 meters. These slow-moving waves travel through layers of different water densities. Though invisible to the eye, they play a massive role in ocean circulation, marine life, and even the planet's climate. 7. Red tides. Deadly beauty. In certain coastal areas, at specific times of the year, the ocean can turn bright red or deep purple, a phenomenon called red tide. It's caused by explosive growth of toxic algae. Despite their beauty, these blooms release toxins that kill marine life and can even poison humans who eat contaminated seafood. Other algae light up when disturbed, creating glowing bioluminescent beaches at night, like nature's own underwater light show. In places like the Maldives and Taiwan, glowing shorelines dazzle visitors, looking like the Milky Way spilled into the sea. 8. Untapped resources and medical marvels. The ocean isn't just where we get seafood and salt. It holds untapped treasure. From rare metals in deep-sea trenches to compounds that could cure cancer, fight viruses, or lead to groundbreaking medications. Sponges, coral, anemones, and deep-sea bacteria are being studied as potential miracle drugs. Enzymes from these extreme environments can survive intense heat, cold, and pressure, making them keys to unlocking advances in medicine, molecular biology, and future technologies. 9. Great migrations of the sea. Humpback whales, sea turtles, and bluefin tuna are nature's marathoners. These animals travel thousands of miles across oceans to breed, feed, or return to their birthplace. Green turtles, for example, can swim from the Caribbean to the coast of Africa just to lay eggs on the same beach they were born on decades ago. How they navigate is still a mystery. Some rely on Earth's magnetic field, others follow ocean currents, star positions, or even sound. Whatever the method, they find their way home with stunning precision. 10. Humans. Ocean explorers or destroyers? Despite all its majesty and mystery, the ocean is under threat from us. Plastic pollution, overfishing, oil drilling, chemical waste, and ocean acidification caused by CO2 emissions are pushing many marine ecosystems to the brink. Some large fish species have dropped by 90% in population over the past 50 years. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are dying as ocean temperatures rise. And countless unknown species may have gone extinct before we even discovered them.
The ocean is a vast, mysterious place, teeming with life that is often more extraordinary than anything on land. From bizarre creatures with strange adaptations to awe-inspiring natural phenomena, there's always something new to discover beneath the waves. Let's dive deeper into the fascinating features of the ocean that will leave you in awe. Chapter 1. The immense size of the ocean. If you think the land is big, try imagining the sheer scale of the ocean. The oceans cover over 70% of Earth's surface, and they hold 97% of the planet's water. To put it into perspective, the ocean is so vast that only about 5% of it has been explored by humans. It's like a hidden world of unknowns waiting for explorers to unlock its secrets. With depths that go deeper than Mount Everest is tall, the ocean truly is the final frontier. 2. Underwater volcanoes, Earth's hidden fire breathers. Did you know that the ocean is home to more volcanoes than all the land masses combined? These underwater volcanoes, known as seamounts, can reach heights greater than those of the tallest mountains above sea level. Some of them are still active, regularly erupting and spewing hot lava into the ocean. These eruptions play a crucial role in shaping the ocean's ecosystems by creating new habitats for marine life. One of the most famous underwater volcanic areas is the Pacific Ring of Fire, where tectonic plates are constantly shifting, creating massive volcanic activity under the surface. These underwater volcanoes can release minerals that nourish entire ecosystems of deep-sea organisms. Chapter 3. Hydrothermal vents, the ocean's black smokers. At the bottom of the ocean, where sunlight doesn't reach, there are hydrothermal vents, chimney-like structures that spew out superheated water rich in minerals. These vents are often surrounded by unique ecosystems that thrive on the chemicals released, rather than sunlight. The discovery of life around these vents was groundbreaking, as it challenged the belief that all life requires sunlight to survive. Creatures like tube worms, giant clams, and certain species of shrimp are perfectly adapted to this extreme environment. They survive through a process called chemosynthesis, where bacteria in their bodies convert the minerals from the vents into energy. This phenomenon has led scientists to speculate that life could exist on other planets in similar conditions. Measure 4. The Great Blue Hole, a mysterious underwater abyss. The Great Blue Hole in Belize is one of the most famous underwater formations in the world. It's a giant, perfectly round sinkhole in the ocean that's over 1,000 feet wide and 400 feet deep. Divers flock to this stunning site to explore its mysterious depths, filled with stalactites and stalagmites that date back thousands of years. The Great Blue Hole is also a hotbed for marine life, including sharks, rays, and various fish species. Its isolated and unique environment has earned it a place on the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. While it's a popular spot for divers, it remains one of the ocean's most mysterious wonders. Chapter 5. The ocean's colors and their significance. Have you ever wondered why the ocean appears different shades of blue and green? The color of the ocean isn't just a beautiful aesthetic. It tells us a lot about the water's characteristics. The deep blue color indicates deep, clear water, while a lighter blue or green suggests shallower, more productive waters rich in plankton. The color of the ocean can also be an indicator of environmental health. For example, algal blooms can turn the water a murky green or brown, signaling an imbalance in the ecosystem. These color shifts serve as a vital tool for scientists studying the health of our oceans. 6. The ocean's secretive deep-sea giants. The deep sea is home to some of the largest and most matic creatures on the planet. Giant squid, for example, can grow up to 40 feet long and weigh over half a ton. Despite their massive size, these creatures are elusive and have only been filmed in their natural habitat in recent years. Even more mysterious are the deep-sea creatures that have never been seen by human eyes. The deeper you go, the stranger the animals become. Some deep-sea fish have translucent bodies, others have massive eyes to detect faint light, and some glow in the dark. These adaptations are crucial for survival in the pitch-black depths, where light is non-existent, and pressure is thousands of times greater than at the surface. Number 7. Ocean currents, the Earth's massive circulatory system. Ocean currents play an essential role in regulating the Earth's climate. They act like giant conveyor belts, redistributing heat and nutrients across the globe. The Gulf Stream, for instance, carries warm water from the Gulf of Mexico to the North Atlantic, affecting the climate of entire continents. These currents also influence weather patterns, and helping to create the conditions for life as we know it. Without these currents, certain regions would be too cold for life, while others would be unbearably hot. The movement of these currents is driven by wind, the Earth's rotation, and the density differences in water due to temperature and salinity. It's an intricate system that controls much of the world's weather and climate patterns. 8. The ocean's healing powers. Beyond its role in climate regulation and marine life, the ocean has long been known for its healing powers. Salt water has natural antibacterial properties, and ocean therapy, or thalassotherapy, has been practiced for centuries. Immersing in the sea has been shown to improve skin health, alleviate stress, and promote overall well-being. The ocean also has a calming effect on the mind, with its rhythmic waves providing a sense of peace and tranquility. The sound of waves crashing on the shore is often used in meditation to help people relax and focus. Scientists are even exploring how the ocean's bioactive compounds might help treat illnesses like cancer and neurological disorders. 9. Ocean exploration, the final frontier. Despite all the incredible discoveries we've made about the ocean, only a small fraction has been explored. The vast majority of the ocean remains a mystery, and new species are being discovered all the time. Advances in technology, like remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and autonomous underwater drones, are helping scientists explore the deepest parts of the ocean, where conditions are harsh and difficult to study. As we continue to explore the ocean, we are uncovering new secrets and marveling at the complexity of the marine world. Who knows what mysteries lie beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered?
Enjoy the hidden wonders of the deep, unraveling ocean mysteries. Imagine a world so vast and mysterious that even in this age of high-tech exploration, only a fraction of it has been revealed. The ocean, covering over 70% of our planet, holds secrets that continue to astound and inspire. Today, we're setting sail on another journey.
The hidden wonders of the deep, exploring ocean mysteries. The ocean, covering over 70% of our planet, remains one of Earth's greatest mysteries. Despite advances in exploration, much of its depths remain uncharted. From underwater forests to bioluminescent light shows, the ocean is a world of breathtaking beauty and scientific intrigue. 1. Kelp forests, submerged ecosystems. Giant kelp forests provide shelter for diverse marine life, protect coastlines, and act as natural carbon sinks, making them vital to Earth's ecosystem. 2. Underwater caves and lost cities. Hidden beneath the waves lie vast cave systems and remnants of ancient civilizations, revealing humanity's deep historical connection to the sea. 3. Deep-sea creatures, nature's strangest creations. In the dark, high-pressure world of the deep sea, evolution has produced astonishing creatures like bioluminescent anglerfish and transparent siphonophores. 4. Oceanic phenomena, nature's light show. Bioluminescence illuminates the ocean at night, creating dazzling displays used for survival, from attracting mates to confusing predators. 5. The symphony of the deep. The ocean hums with unexplained sounds, some from natural phenomena, others possibly from unknown marine life, adding to its enigma. 6. Ocean currents, Earth's circulatory system. Currents like the Gulf Stream regulate climate, transport nutrients, and guide marine migrations, shaping ecosystems across the globe. 7. Hidden treasures, resources and medicine. The deep sea holds vast mineral deposits and marine organisms with potential medicinal breakthroughs, including treatments for diseases like cancer. 8. Human impact, a call to protect. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change threaten marine ecosystems. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserving this vital resource. The future of ocean exploration. Advances in robotics and sonar mapping continue to unveil new species and geological wonders, pushing the boundaries of our understanding. 10. The ocean, a source of wonder. For centuries, the ocean has inspired art, myths, and exploration. It is a reminder of nature's beauty, resilience, and the need for preservation. Conclusion. The ocean is a vast, living world of endless wonder. As we explore its depths, we uncover new knowledge and face critical challenges. Protecting it is not just a responsibility, it's a necessity for the future of our planet across the globe. 7. Hidden treasures, resources and medicine. The deep sea holds vast mineral deposits and marine organisms with potential medicinal breakthroughs, including treatments for diseases like cancer. 8. Human impact, a call to protect. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change threaten marine ecosystems. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserving this vital resource. The future of ocean exploration. Advances in robotics and sonar mapping continue to unveil new species and geological wonders, pushing the boundaries of our understanding. 10. The ocean, a source of wonder. For centuries, the ocean has inspired art, myths, and exploration. It is a reminder of nature's beauty, resilience, and the need for preservation. Conclusion. The ocean is a vast, living world of endless wonder. As we explore its depths, we uncover new knowledge and face critical challenges. Protecting it is not just a responsibility, it's a necessity for the future of our planet. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate the time you've spent exploring the ocean with me. The ocean is not only a mysterious world full of wonders, but also a vital part of life on Earth. I hope this video has given you new insights, inspired you with its breathtaking beauty, and deepened your understanding of the importance of protecting marine ecosystems. From vast kelp forests and hidden underwater caves to fascinating deep-sea creatures, every corner of the ocean holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. The most exciting part? We've only scratched the surface of what's out there. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing explorations. Your support is the biggest motivation for me to keep creating high-quality content. Drop a comment below and let me know what fascinated you the most, or what ocean-related topics you'd love to see in future videos. Together, we can spread our love for the ocean and raise awareness about protecting our blue planet. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.